Well, here we are at the Wilson Welding Show and getting ready to go bye-bye. It's over. Everybody's leaving. It's over. Wilson Products. Like to have me a sporty car. Hey, Pop.
Yes.
You want to do a plug for YouTube?
A plug?
You want to do a little quick advertisement for YouTube?
Not really.
No?
Maybe my son.
I asked him, he never got back to me. He didn't want to, I guess.
Well, give me an idea what you're looking for.
Oh, just anything. It's recording now. I'm just taking pictures of your cars on the way out.
Oh, okay. Well. Bottom line is, all you got to do is take pictures of these signs, and I will pretty much tell you what we're all about. Come over here. You, the customer, are the most important person in our business, because without you, everything else in our company is irrelevant. Our customers pay us to help solve their problems, not listen to ours or have us create problems for them.
That's a good motto.
Come over here. Wilson Products, the world's largest, smallest gas welding supply distributor. Large enough to get you what you want, when you want it, and where you want it, and small enough to care, just like my penis. And over here,
you never fail for entertainment.
Our company runs on love, respect, and joy in each other's lives. Folks, there's always more going on than just the MF money, okay? Our motto is make money and have fun by providing solutions and good feelings, and we can only give that out to others to the degree that we've created it for ourselves. And when you drop a pebble of love in the pond, it spreads out and people feel it. And then they trust and they feel safe that this is a good place to come, because we're not here to sell you something, we're here to educate you so you can make the best possible purchasing decision for yourself. Okay?
That's very good. Yep, I keep coming here, been coming here for years. It's a wonderful place.
Yes, it is.
Thank you, sir. I forgot what your name was, though.
It's Bruce.
Bruce, that's right. Thank you, Bruce. Feel privileged. I didn't shake anybody else's hand.
This is the family I never had right here, and this is my extended family.
That's a good working crew that way. That's the best way to have it.
Sure be thinking life sucks and then you die.
We're all going there one day.
Well, hey, all you ever have is the present moment, really.
Yeah.
And if you're not managing your thoughts, folks, your thoughts are managing you. And if you're completely content with everything in your life, great. If you're not, you might want to start thinking about managing your thoughts instead of them managing you. Karma means action. So if you want to know how you got where you are today, look at your past actions. If you want to know where you're going to be in the future, check out your present thoughts. You're shaped by your thoughts, you become what you think, and when your mind is pure, joy will follow like a shadow that never leaves. And the more you're motivated by love, the more fearless and free your actions will be. So become the change you wish to see happen in the world, instead of being a victim and blaming people, places, things, and situations for your suffering. Because the only difference between your suffering and not suffering is your state of mind, and you're completely responsible for that.
That we all are.
Yeah.
That we all are. Thank you, Bruce.
You're welcome, sir.
Take a couple shots of the cars on the way out.
Together, it's all F1. Yeah.
I dropped my books here somewhere.
So.
Sure, somebody ran off with my books. What?
Oh, wait a sec. Let me put them in here.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
You guys got a book for me?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, Black Stallion. I was interested in the Torch book.
What's that?
I was interested in the Torch book.
Okay. Well, we don't have that.
Check them out, Grub Night. cars. I need a third arm. Every other year. This is the first time they had it in 4 years because of COVID. Oh. Delivery trucks. Bees. Bees, leave me alone. That's all, folks.